Clash Royale is giving away the 4th free evolution, and that is the Evolution Archers. So just get 25 crowns if I'm not mistaken. But since I already have the Evolution Archers in this account, you will get 6,000 Elite Wild Shards if you already maxed the Archer card. So you can also get some banners, chests, gold chests, and also some Archer banners, more Archer banners, and also this Archer emote if you don't have it yet. So keep on grinding those crowns, guys. And if you are able to get the Evo Tesla, you can now use an X-Bow deck. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.